In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Indianapolis. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, and how to make sure your payment is properly recorded. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Indianapolis payment portal on the city's website. Traffic tickets in Indianapolis are handled through the Marion County Traffic Division, and the city's portal is the trusted place to take care of your citations securely. Make sure you're on the official indy.gov site and look for the page labeled Pay Traffic Ticket. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer, but a larger screen can make review and checkout a little easier. Once you're on the portal, it's time to look up your ticket. You can search using your citation or UTT number, which is usually printed near the top of your paper ticket, or you can search by your name along with your date of birth. Enter the information exactly as it appears on your citation, and be mindful of spelling and formatting. If your ticket was issued very recently, it might take a little time to appear in the system, so don't worry if it doesn't show up right away. Try again later or follow any guidance on the site for recent citations. When your case loads, take a moment to carefully review the details. Confirm the violation type, the total fine amount, and the due date. If anything looks off, pause before paying and check your information again. Some citations require a court appearance and won't be payable online, so read any notes on the case screen closely. Also, if your due date has passed, you may see additional fees reflected in the balance. If everything looks correct, proceed to pay. Click Pay Now, enter your debit or credit card information, and double-check your billing address before submitting. A small processing time is normal. Payments typically post within up to 48 hours. Avoid submitting the payment more than once. If the site confirms it went through, give it time to update on your case. After you've paid, save your confirmation right away. Download or screenshot the receipt and store it somewhere you can easily find later. This is your proof of payment, and it's helpful to keep until the portal shows your balance is zero. If the site offers to email a receipt, that's a great extra backup. That's it. Use the official indy.gov portal, look up your citation or search by your name and date of birth, review your case details carefully, complete the payment, and save your receipt. Thanks for watching, and take care of that ticket on time.